Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Walmart account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in walmart.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Walmart. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to create the account for yourself, simply click on the account option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, sign in or create account. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to sign in or create the account for yourself. If you already have the account, simply enter your email and click on the option continue. After that you'll have to enter the password and you'll be signed into your account. But if you want to create the account for yourself, simply enter the phone number or email over here and you'll be prompted to create the account. So click on the filter phone number or email. Now what you have to do is provide your phone number or email over here. Here I have just entered email address. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to create the account for yourself. All you have to do is fill in these details that you can see right over here on your screen. So first of all, enter the first name. Likewise, enter the last name. Now what you have to do is enter your phone number over here. Make sure to enter the valid phone number. Now create a password for yourself. Your password must include 8 to 100 characters, upper and lowercase letters, at least one number or special character. So simply create the password accordingly. Now after you do that, what you have to do is scroll down. Now click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is simply enter the verification code sent to your number over here. So simply enter the verification code. Now after you enter the verification code, simply click on this option verify and create account. After that your Walmart account will easily be created. So that is how you create Walmart account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.